I'm obsessed. Look at me. You sneeze once and your hair just goes everywhere. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jackie. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you want, you know. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. Just kidding, just the bag is different. Look at this bag. We are so used to like the shiny metallic hot pink bag, and now we're looking at a pastel bag with the actual like Ipsy name on there. And then it also says discover yourself, and then the Ipsy logo right there, which is just, you know, Ipsy. But I think it's so funny that they took out a pastel color now that we're coming into winter or fall time, but whatever, right? Let's just jump on into it because my battery might die. My camera 100% dies later. Look how happy I am before I find out my battery's gonna die and the sun's gonna come up and ruin my lighting. This is what this box oh. I did not even see that coming. This is all I saw when I took it out, so I thought the back was just going to be like a faux black leather, but it's Betty Boop. I'm obsessed. Look at me. Sorry. This is like a bunch of sequins, and then this is like the iconic Betty Boop. I wonder if they got like permission to do this. Actually, her skin looks a little bit like pink. Kind of like this pink a little bit in person, so maybe it's not really Betty Boop. Ooh, but it's a bee. Oh, this is totally with Betty Boop. This thing, this little thing, it's a bee. And the holes in the bee are hearts. You know how some people have like heart-shaped nostrils or something? That's Betty Boop. Opening up the bag. It is flaunted this month, October 2019. Let's start obsessing over what we love about ourselves. Woo! And then the items in here, we might take a look at that if we get confused. My hairs and my lashes. Let's pull something out. Feels like a brush. I love brushes. Ooh, is this a Betty Boop brush? What is, there's like no name on it. It's just got the same bee from the Ipsy bag, and then a couple of hearts, and then the hearts go in different directions. I feel like that's really cute. Why is that heart not going this way? Is that wrong? Did I get this in my Ipsy because this was a mistake? Look, one's going that way, one's going that way, one's going that way, and then this one goes back that way. It should be that way. We got your leftovers. At this point, I didn't realize it was actually a collab between Ipsy and Betty Boop, so probably not leftovers. Oops. But that's okay because the product should still be the same. Looks like it's just a really big blending brush, which are my favorite eye brushes in the world. I use a lot of eye brushes, I really do, but those are my favorite. That is a Betty Boop X Ipsy eye brush. Cool. I love getting brushes in subscriptions, and this looks like a full size. Like, it doesn't look like a mini, like half size or whatever. This, great. I love getting full size things in Ipsy. What a surprise, what a treat. This is, oh, I don't know what this is. No Lenny loose eyeshadow in the shade Byron Bay. There's already eyeshadow on the outside of it. It's a mess. Don't look at my nails, by the way. They're super janky. Okay, this cap is extremely loose. Like, this is how it came. You see all that powder coming out of that? Probably not, but okay. Sure. The freaking tape is still on there too. Where's this powder coming from? Look at the tape. Look at the tape. You see the tape? What are you covering? You're covering nothing because it's all on my fingers. I'm not the biggest fan. Ooh, that's pretty though. Not the biggest fan of loose eyeshadows. I just really prefer the formula of a brushed shadow and the ease and simplicity of it as opposed to this mess over here. But that's a really pretty shade. There's just so much powder coming up out of this. I feel like I'm inhaling everything. But this is a really pretty shade. It's got that gold reflection that you're seeing, like a really soft gold reflection. And then when you look directly onto it, it looks like this shade right here. So like a really mauve-y pink. It's really pretty though. I do have to say that. Next in here, this is Context Matte Lipstick. Is it black? I totally down to get a black eyeshadow lipstick. Oh my god, I think it is 101 Come Clean, and even the little sticker's black. Hold on. Okay. Oh, my hair. You sneeze once and your hair just goes everywhere. So this is gonna be fun for the winter time. Ooh, and it comes in this like sleek little black lipstick bullet with just the word context on there, and then Come Clean. Oh, I hyped myself up for black lipstick. I don't know how to feel right now. This is the shade I got. Do you see that? It's very curved. Let me put it against my hair. It's very curved. See, it's gonna hug your lip. This is gonna be very nude colored on me, probably a little bit light even. It makes sense now. Come Clean, you know, nude lipstick. Okay. I like it still. I just overhyped myself to get a black lipstick. Next in here, feels like another box. This is the Camelina and Strobe I'm just putting words on here. Luminizing Primer, and it's from Seraphine Botanicals. Ooh, no parabens, no phthalates, no mineral oil, no gluten, vegan, flower water, camelina, tea oil, hyperallergenic. This is a lot of things. I feel like I'm gonna mistakenly use this as a lip balm. Hope I don't do that. Dot primer all over face with your fingers or a beauty sponge. Wear it over or under foundation for an all-over glow, or alone for subtle radiance. Oh, that did not come out as I expected. I expected it to be clear for some reason. I think it's just the thought of like, oh, it's not even hydrating, it's luminizing. I'm so dumb. Oh, Jesus Christ. I used the finger that I used on that loose shadow, so it's slightly mauve gold tinted now, and now I can't tell if that's actually what it's gonna look like. Can you see it at all? Let's do it with a clean finger this time. It feels very like thick. It doesn't feel very thin. Is that just the color of this? It's got like a pinkish undertone. I kind of just put it all over, so we just primed the whole hand right here. Yeah, it's got like the pinkish goldeny undertone, unless all the freaking loose powder that flew up into the air was slightly on my hand and just got everywhere. That might have been the case, but it does have a little bit of a pink sheen to it, but I do look luminized. Honestly, I'll probably use this more on the body than the face. It doesn't feel that hydrating for me, and if it's going to be luminizing primer, I want something hydrating so my skin can also get some hydration up in there and not just appear hydrated or luminized or whatever. So I'd rather use this on like the shoulders, collarbone, you know. My collarbone's actually kind of hidden right now, but let's try to put it on there. I didn't bring a mirror, so viewfinder it is. Jesus Christ, where are you speeding to? Let's compare collarbone. Did it do anything? Ooh. Oh yeah, that did something. I need to like... See when you like get that light on it? Definitely does that. Cool. I should even myself out a little bit. I like this. I'm gonna use this on my collarbones. Except it's fall time now, so I'm gonna be like covered in sweaters all the time. Does it have it now? Kind of, not really. Never mind. We're moving on. Oh, is this the last thing in here? It is the last thing in here. Oh, I always get so sad. Oh, this is the Believe in Truth, the True, oh, my nose is so itchy. This is the Believe in Truth, the True Cream Aqua Bomb, increased hydration level 70%. What does that mean? Based on a clinical evaluation on skin hydration level. Apply evenly to face and neck. So because it says Aqua Bomb, I feel like it's going to be like one of those liquid, yeah, one of those gel moisturizers. We got another one from Belief previously that I've been using. Oh, actually it's an eye cream. Yeah, I've been using that to finish up my Ipsy one. And then now we have this Aqua Bomb. We get a lot of these gel hydrators, like moisturizers. I really do like them though, so that's exciting. Now that feels moisturizing, and it doesn't have a pink sheen. So I think the Luminizer primer does have a little bit of pink sheen on its own. This does feel extremely hydrating. Definitely gonna appreciate it for, actually, in the wintertime, I feel like I use much like heavier creams, and then in the summertime I use more of the gel ones. But I do like the gel ones. I like the way they feel on the face because it kind of goes away after a while. Less tacky. Oh, okay, we're done. But am I ever done doing this? Like, I'm gonna do this forever. That's the Ipsy for October this month. We didn't have much swatches going on, just this. I could swatch the lipstick for you, but because of the curve on it, I don't want to go and like smash it on a flat surface instead of on my lip. So we'll swatch that or wear it eventually, and we'll talk about it, maybe. I'm really bad at following up with this. I am going to do a follow-up on like a whole year of my BoxyCharm though, so I am going to follow up on that. Maybe I'll do it for Ipsy. Just a quick recap, as I like to do, what I'm excited about, what I'm least excited about. Super excited for this. This is a boop brush. This is a brush, and I'm always excited to get brushes in any. So my freaking camera died, and now the sun came out from a long cloudy day. My camera died, and then all of the extra batteries were actually moving again, so I accidentally packed them away already, so they're at the bottom of some box somewhere. So I don't really have that with me right now. It's okay. We charged it. The sun's out now though, so it's kind of blinding me. Lighting might have changed a little. As I do, just gonna close up with what I was most excited about to what I was least excited about. Super excited for brushes. I'm always very lazy to buy brushes on my own. And then I am excited about this primer. I think I really like it for the collarbone, although my lighting has changed a lot, so I look a little washed out. I might need to close the blinds. Oh, it's getting stronger. The light, the sunlight, do you see that? Oh, Jesus. Bear with me, just bear with me. Then the Aqua Cream or Aqua Bomb from Belief. I'm excited about that. Then it's the Context one, although I think I might have been a little more excited if it was black, but it is a color that I would definitely wear. And then least excited for the Lenny Loose Eyeshadow Powder, just because that's not what I tend to go for at all. Thank you so much for watching. Say goodbye to Cooper's booty. You can't see Bandit's head, but he's here too. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. I keep losing to a moment where I'm with you, I just can't focus. I love to hear your crazy theories about conspiracies on TV.